fixing my Alexa Mini or whatever it is. So yeah, you know, that's what I took apart. I'll show you what I did when I put it back together, because I didn't film taking apart. All right, so all I did, what it was it was like muffled, you know. Some sounds would come through, most sounds with the bass and so on. So the speaker is what was broken. Don't have another speaker, so I just kind of put some epoxy on here, and I was lucky enough where you see the epoxy there is where the crack was. You can see the hole there now. If I right there, I'm gonna put some stuff on that, and before it hardens, which I'll do right now. But I should have taped at what it sounded like before, but it was terrible. You couldn't really pick anything out if anybody was talking with a deep voice. Alright, let's see if this makes any difference at all. So there's 4 little screws that will go in the speaker itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. And your fingers is as big and clumsy as mine are. I didn't have to take out the speaker. I thought I was going to have to, but I didn't. I just put that epoxy on that spot like I showed you, and hopefully if it makes any difference whatsoever, because this was going to have to go in the garbage, and it works fine, just the speaker. So I was thinking, if it's any improvement at all, if I can pick out what people are saying, then that's a big improvement. You get me? You get me, Vern? Now, this goes in like that. Right? There's 4 here, but you know these 2 outlets, one for your plug-in, one for your headphones or whatever it is. Never used it. And you put it in like that. And then you put these in. But when you first go about it, you got to take this thing off, and it's just glued here. You might look at it and say, well, where's the screws? I thought it might have been in here, hidden in the fabric. Couldn't find anything, so I was going to throw it in the garbage. I just tore that off. Oh, there's the screws. So they're little tiny Torx. It's a very small Torx. Now these go in there like that, I'm guessing. Like that, I'm guessing. Yep. Just push it on. Now that epoxy I haven't set up yet, so see, 5 minutes, it might be, yeah, 5 minutes, might be able to try it.
Hope is a current rising to the surface. Yeah.
It's you can still hear a little bit of a muffle, but at least I can listen to music. So hey, whatever works, right?